Creamy, dreamy potato salad. Tired of boring potato salad? Get ready to elevate your picnic game with this recipe. It's so good, you'll want to make it every week. Start with about 2 pounds of Yukon Gold potatoes. Cut them into bite-sized pieces and boil until tender, about 15 minutes. Don't overcook them, or they'll get mushy. While the potatoes cool, whisk together 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard, and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Add a pinch of salt, pepper, and a dash of paprika for extra flavor. This dressing is the key to potato salad perfection. Gently fold the cooled potatoes into the dressing. Add 1 cup of chopped celery, 1/4 cup of chopped red onion, and 2 hard-boiled eggs, chopped. Mix everything together carefully, making sure not to mash the potatoes. Cover the potato salad and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes to allow the flavors to meld. Garnish with a sprinkle of paprika and fresh parsley before serving. Get ready for the best potato salad you've ever tasted. Ready to impress your friends and family? Like this video and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Share your potato salad creations with us using #PotatoSaladPerfection. We can't wait to see what you cook up.